Have you ever felt a yearning for a deeper connection with the universe, a profound understanding of yourself, or a sense of inner peace that transcends the chaos of daily life? If so, you may be on the path to spiritual awakening. In the quest for enlightenment, meditation stands as a timeless and powerful practice, offering a gateway to heightened awareness and a connection with the divine. In this exploration, we delve into the art of meditating for spiritual awakening, unlocking the transformative potential that lies within each moment of stillness. The foundation, setting the stage for meditation. Embarking on the journey of meditation for spiritual awakening necessitates the establishment of a conducive foundation. The sacred space you create becomes the sanctuary for your practice, a haven where the energies align with your pursuit of higher consciousness. Choose a space that resonates with tranquility, free from external disturbances. By infusing this space with intention, you signal to the universe your readiness for spiritual exploration. Selecting a comfortable posture is paramount. It enables a seamless transition from the external world to the inner realms. Whether sitting cross-legged or on a chair, the posture should be one that allows for relaxation without sacrificing alertness. As you settle into your chosen position, set an intention for your meditation, a purpose that serves as a guiding light during your practice. This intention could be a quest for inner peace, self-discovery, or a connection with the divine. In laying this foundation, you embark on a journey where the external environment aligns with your internal aspirations. This sacred space, coupled with intention and a comfortable posture, becomes the fertile ground where the seeds of spiritual awakening are sown, awaiting the transformative power of meditation to nurture their growth. Breath as the bridge, the power of mindful breathing. In the realm of spiritual awakening through meditation, the breath serves as a profound bridge connecting the physical and metaphysical aspects of our existence. The act of mindful breathing becomes a gateway to heightened awareness and inner stillness. Delving into the essence of breath, practitioners tap into a universal rhythm that transcends the confines of the ego, aligning with a deeper collective consciousness. Understanding the role of breath in spiritual practice is crucial. The breath is more than a physiological function. It is a life force, a conduit for energy and consciousness. Techniques for mindful breathing, such as diaphragmatic breathing or the 4-7-8 technique, offer tangible entry points into the meditative state. Breath awareness meditation, a cornerstone of many spiritual traditions, involves focusing attention on the inhalation and exhalation, fostering a serene connection with the present moment. By embracing the power of mindful breathing, individuals harmonize with the cadence of the universe. This synchronization opens the door to inner realms, where the subtle energies of the breath become a vehicle for spiritual exploration. Through breath, practitioners traverse the bridge between the material and the transcendent, embarking on a transformative journey towards spiritual awakening. Journey inward, exploring meditation techniques. Embarking on the journey of spiritual awakening involves a nuanced exploration of various meditation techniques, each offering a unique pathway to inner discovery. Guided meditations provide a structured approach, often led by a teacher or through recorded scripts, guiding practitioners through visualizations and contemplations. This technique serves as a helpful starting point for those new to meditation. Mantra meditation, deeply rooted in ancient traditions, involves the repetitive chanting of a sacred sound or phrase. The rhythmic resonance of the mantra becomes a focal point, transcending the chatter of the mind and fostering a sense of transcendence. Visualization exercises, on the other hand, leverage the mind's eye to create vivid mental images, channeling the power of imagination to access deeper states of consciousness. Each technique caters to different preferences and resonates with diverse individuals on their spiritual journeys. Exploring these methods allows practitioners to discover the one that aligns most harmoniously with their inner landscape. Guided by curiosity and intuition, the journey inward unfolds as a tapestry of meditation techniques, each thread weaving a unique pattern of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. Silencing the mind, overcoming challenges in meditation. The pursuit of spiritual awakening through meditation encounters a crucible in the form of silencing the mind. In this chapter, we delve into the art of overcoming the myriad challenges that arise when attempting to quiet the mental chatter and attain a state of profound stillness. Distractions, both external and internal, pose a formidable obstacle on the path to meditation. Addressing these distractions involves cultivating a gentle yet unwavering focus, redirecting attention to the present moment. The practice of mindfulness becomes a steadfast ally, allowing practitioners to observe thoughts without becoming entangled in them. Embracing stillness demands patience and persistence. The mind, accustomed to constant activity, may resist the quietude sought in meditation. Consistent practice, coupled with an understanding of the transient nature of thoughts, becomes the key to overcoming resistance and nurturing a tranquil mental space. Patience emerges as a virtue as practitioners navigate the ebb and flow of their meditative experiences. It is through the challenges and moments of stillness alike that the transformative power of meditation unfolds. In silencing the mind, individuals unlock the gateway to deeper realms of consciousness, paving the way for spiritual awakening to flourish. Connecting with the divine. Spiritual elements in meditation. Meditation transcends the secular. It becomes a sacred communion with the divine. In this section, we explore the spiritual elements that infuse meditation with a transcendent quality, fostering a connection with higher consciousness. Invoking higher consciousness involves surrendering to a force beyond the self, acknowledging a divine presence or universal energy. This surrender is not a relinquishment of personal power, but a humble recognition of the interconnectedness of all existence. Cultivating gratitude becomes a spiritual practice in itself, as individuals acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in their lives, fostering a sense of abundance and harmony. Surrender and trust emerge as guiding principles, inviting practitioners to release the grip of ego and control. Trusting in the unfolding of the spiritual journey allows for a deeper connection with the divine flow of life. As meditation becomes a vehicle for this connection, practitioners may experience moments of profound insight, intuitive guidance, or a sense of oneness with the universe. By integrating these spiritual elements into meditation, individuals embark on a transformative journey where the boundaries between the self and the divine blur. In these moments of connection, the profound essence of spiritual awakening begins to illuminate the path, offering a glimpse into the vast expanses of higher consciousness. Integration into daily life, bringing meditation off the cushion. The true essence of meditation lies not only in the moments spent on the cushion, but in its seamless integration into the fabric of daily life. This chapter delves into the art of bringing meditation off the cushion and into the myriad activities that constitute our existence. Mindful living becomes the natural extension of meditation practice. It involves an acute awareness of each moment, whether engaged in routine tasks or navigating life's challenges. Through mindful living, practitioners infuse their daily activities with the same presence of mind cultivated in meditation, fostering a sense of calm and centeredness. Gratitude practices further anchor meditation into daily life, taking moments to express appreciation for the simple joys and challenges alike shifts perspective, nurturing a positive and open-hearted approach to living. Acts of compassion, both towards oneself and others, become an embodiment of the transformative power cultivated in meditation, creating a ripple effect of kindness and understanding. In this integration, the boundaries between meditation and the external world dissolve. Meditation ceases to be a confined practice and becomes a way of being, shaping a life imbued with mindfulness, gratitude, and compassion. As the meditative spirit permeates daily actions, the journey of spiritual awakening becomes a continuous, harmonious flow. Reflection and journaling. Documenting your spiritual journey. Reflection and journaling serve as invaluable tools in the spiritual seeker's arsenal, providing a structured means to document and navigate the intricacies of the meditation journey. This chapter explores the transformative potential inherent in self-reflection and the act of journaling. The power of reflection lies in its capacity to deepen understanding and cultivate self-awareness. Regularly pausing to contemplate one's experiences during meditation unveils insights into patterns of thought, emotional responses, and the evolving nature of spiritual growth. Through reflection, practitioners gain clarity on their journey and can make intentional adjustments to their practice. Journaling becomes a tangible record of the spiritual odyssey. Writing about meditation experiences, revelations, and challenges not only solidifies insights, but also serves as a roadmap for future exploration. As the journal accumulates entries, it becomes a testament to the evolving self, capturing the nuances of the spiritual landscape traversed over time. Tracking progress and insights through reflection and journaling transforms the meditation practice from a momentary endeavor into a continuous narrative of self-discovery. In the pages of a journal, the spiritual seeker finds a mirror reflecting the profound changes and realizations brought about by the journey inward, serving as a guide and witness to the ongoing process of spiritual awakening. Community and guidance. Seeking support on the spiritual path. The pursuit of spiritual awakening is not a solitary journey. It thrives in the tapestry of shared experiences and collective wisdom. In this chapter, we explore the significance of community and guidance as indispensable companions on the spiritual path. Joining meditation groups provides a sense of belonging and shared purpose. The collective energy of like-minded individuals amplifies the potency of meditation, creating a synergistic field that supports and accelerates spiritual growth. Within these groups, diverse perspectives and insights enrich the collective understanding, fostering a sense of interconnectedness. Spiritual mentors and teachers play a pivotal role in providing guidance and wisdom. Drawing upon the experience of those who have walked the path before, mentors offer invaluable insights, personalized advice, and a compassionate presence. Their guidance becomes a beacon illuminating the way through challenges and milestones on the spiritual journey. Sharing experiences and insights within a community creates a reciprocal flow of inspiration. Whether through discussion forums, group meditations, or spiritual gatherings, the exchange of stories and wisdom becomes a source of motivation and encouragement. In this shared journey, the individual is not isolated but surrounded by a supportive network, reinforcing the transformative potential of meditation for spiritual awakening. Embracing the unseen, navigating mystical experiences. As the meditator progresses on the path of spiritual awakening, encounters with the mystical become a profound aspect of the journey. This chapter delves into the exploration of mystical experiences, inviting practitioners to embrace the unseen and navigate the realms beyond ordinary perception. Understanding mystical phenomena involves acknowledging the vastness of consciousness and the potential for transcendent encounters. From moments of heightened intuition to profound states of altered consciousness, these experiences offer glimpses into the expansive nature of reality beyond the confines of the material world. Embracing the unknown becomes a guiding principle as individuals traverse mystical landscapes. The meditative state serves as a gateway to dimensions where the boundaries between self and the cosmos blur. Rather than fearing the unfamiliar, practitioners are encouraged to approach mystical experiences with openness and curiosity, recognizing them as gateways to deeper understanding. Balancing spirituality with practicality becomes crucial in integrating mystical experiences into daily life. Grounding these encounters in a foundation of mindfulness and discernment ensures that the insights gained contribute positively to one's spiritual growth. In navigating the unseen, practitioners embark on a journey of expanding consciousness, where the mystical becomes a transformative force on the path of spiritual awakening. The journey continues, evolving perspectives in meditation. As meditation for spiritual awakening unfolds, it becomes a dynamic, ever-evolving exploration. This chapter delves into the fluid nature of the meditative journey, encouraging practitioners to embrace growth, integrate new perspectives, and share the light of their experiences with others. Embracing growth involves acknowledging that the path of spiritual awakening is not linear, but a continuous spiral of evolution. As insights deepen and awareness expands, individuals are invited to adapt their practices, remaining receptive to the changing landscape of their inner worlds. Flexibility and openness become allies in navigating the twists and turns of the spiritual journey. Integrating new insights becomes a natural progression as practitioners encounter fresh perspectives and revelations. The meditative space becomes a canvas for ongoing self-discovery, and the wisdom gained is woven into the fabric of daily life. Each meditation session serves as a gateway to a deeper understanding of the self and the universe. Sharing the light involves extending the transformative energy cultivated in meditation to others. Whether through teaching, inspiring, or simply embodying the principles of spiritual awakening, individuals contribute to a collective consciousness. In this interconnected dance of growth and sharing, the meditator becomes both a student and a guide, perpetuating a cycle of evolution that transcends individual practice and resonates through the broader tapestry of human experience.